It's striking that when I started looking into the science more around this, when I was seeing this everywhere in the community, and what was really striking is the mortality impact of loneliness. So you look at the studies and they show that loneliness is associated with a drop in life expectancy that's as powerful as a drop associated with smoking 15 cigarettes a day. It's more powerful than the impact of obesity. Loneliness is associated with an increase in the risk of heart disease, of dementia, of depression, of anxiety. It affects our sleep patterns, which in sleep in turn is linked to a whole host of other illnesses we're now learning. The impact on our health is really quite profound, but also the prevalence of loneliness is far greater, I think, than any of us thought. The studies show slightly different numbers, depending on what you look at, but what they all seem to indicate, or most of them, is that there's actually been an increase in loneliness over the last several decades at a time when we are more connected by technology than at any point in the history of human civilization. So what that should, to me, that's a strong warning assigned to us. That number one, we have assumed that tech will connect us in all ways, and it doesn't always. And number two, that we have taken our eye off the ball in terms of investing in authentic human relationships, and we've allowed a culture to develop that tells us that those aren't important.